Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to track billable hours in Clockify. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, consultant, remote worker, or service provider, tracking billable hours accurately is essential for invoicing clients and managing your revenue. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Clockify account and open the workspace where you manage your client projects. Make sure your projects and clients are already set up before you begin tracking billable time. Next, navigate to the Projects section and select the project you want to bill for. If needed, create a new project and assign it to the appropriate client, and that's how to track billable hours in Clockify. By assigning projects, enabling billable entries, setting hourly rates, and reviewing detailed reports, you can accurately manage client work and simplify your invoicing process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.